Compact Learning Objects, or CLOs, are available in an on-the-go, easy-to-use mobile format. In this demo, we will be focusing on the content as it appears in the Langladder mobile app, developed by the NFLC for iOS devices. Each CLO contains a number of concise lessons that begin on an overview screen. Here, you will see general information such as the unit and lesson titles, the publication date and URL for the source material, and the language level. These lessons are intended to be completed in a linear fashion by using the next arrow at the bottom right. However, you may choose to complete the lessons in any order and can directly access any screen within a lesson by using the menu icon at the top right. The source screen displays either a source text or source audio or video file with media controls. Click the gear icon to access looping, closed caption, and playback controls. The loop control allows you to repeat the 2, 5, or 10-second segment prior to the current time value. Adjust the playback speed from half to double speed by dragging the slider to the desired value. Enable the closed captions option by pressing the CC button. The closed captions allow you to read the narration in either the source language, English, or both at the same time as the video plays. Note that these settings cannot be adjusted for video while it is in full screen mode. If you want to change the values here during playback, just press the scale down button at the bottom right of the window and then make the adjustments.
Une communion nationale qui parfois vacille. On est tous unis dans la douleur. J'ai un ami qui était au Bataclan. On est tous unis dans la douleur. Elle s'appelle Samira.
When you are done, continue to the Notes screen by pressing the next arrow. The notes provide contextual, cultural, and linguistic information which you may find helpful in comprehending the source material. The title of each note is displayed here. To expand a note, click the title or the arrow next to the title. To hide a note, click the title or the arrow again. When you are done, continue to the glossary screen by pressing the next arrow. The glossary provides a list of terms relevant to the source material, their explanations, along with a recording of each item. Glossary terms from all 5 lessons in this unit are displayed here in alphabetical order. To view a glossary term's explanation, tap on the term. To hide the explanation, tap on the term again. To hear a term, tap the audio icon next to the term.
Alimenter.
When you are done, continue to the transcript narration screen by pressing the next arrow. The transcript screen is available when the lesson features an audio or video source material and will contain a full transcript in the target language, along with an audio player to enable you to listen to an audio-only recording of the source material.
Une communion nationale.
The media player controls here are the same as used on the source material presentation screen.
Elle s'appelle Samira.
The narration screen will appear for lessons with a text source material and will present the source text along with their narration of it in the media player.
Le fusillade du vendredi 13 novembre a contribué à un phénomène d'identification avec les victimes.
When you are done, continue to the translation screen by pressing the next arrow. This screen contains a full English translation of the source material. Continue to the resources screen by pressing the next arrow. The resources screen contains links to several additional sources of information to expand your knowledge of topics related to the passage. Tapping on a resource will open the link in a separate window. The lesson is now complete. You may press the next arrow to return to the menu and select the next lesson.